Learn English quickly. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words we will learn today. Number one is a measurement for liquids. Number two, most. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. I will get 1 liter of water. I will get 1 liter of water. Liter. A measurement equal to 1,000 cc's. Now we can make a flashcard for liter. If we speak quickly, these two words sound the same. Liter. Liter. The American spelling ER. British RE. Please make a flashcard like this. Write liter up here in the top left corner. LITER. Down here in this corner, MTS 1. This means metric system, level 1. And over here the number 5 out of 6. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Liter. Liter. Number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer has the most books in our family. Jennifer has the most books in our family. The most books. She has the greatest amount of books. We can use it for countable and uncountable like this. We also use it in the adverb form like this. Now we can make a flashcard for most. We have two ways to use most. We also say it like this. Most of the students. This means more than 50%. Please make a card like this. Write most up here in the top left corner. MOST. We have two ways to use it. The most books and most of my friends, for example. Down here in this corner, GW1. This means grammar word level 1. And over here the number 67 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like O. LMNOP. Mo. Most. Game over. You did very well today. And level 2 words. In a soccer game, the referee will blow the whistle. Very good. And you learned a lot. You are very correct. To pick somebody up, this is with your car when you're driving and you get a passenger. Please write your language on the other side of the card. Our schedule is rotating. You can join anytime. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.